Imagine building an AI image enhancer. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end. As you can show here, this is an AI image enhancer tool which I've already created. It brings your image back to life. Okay, for instance, if you click on this choose file from this very section, and you're going to simply select any file you want to choose, click on the open button, then you click on this enhance image. It is basically going to simply enhance this very image. Okay, you can see a slight difference between this one and this one, and you can simply go ahead and download this very image. So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. Okay, the first thing you need to do is simply head over to your DeepSeek. Okay, this is a prompt I've already created for you. Okay, you can simply go ahead and optimize it. Okay, just screenshot it, or you join us on our Patreon to get this particular prompt, okay, for free. All right, DeepSeek is going to simply analyze that and also give you the script based on what you want to write, and we're going to simply be using Hostinger for this. That's why I decided to put this particular prompt right here. It generated index HTML, the CSS, JavaScript. These are the 3 files you're going to upload on your website. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to show you how everything works. Okay, then you're going to simply log into your Hostinger, then click on access file. Okay, then click on public HTML. You can show right here everything is empty right here. So what we have to do right now is simply go back to DeepSeek, then select this HTML right here, which is the index.html. okay, so we're going to simply upload these files on the website. So before that, I'm going to simply show you how the website looks like. Okay, before now, if you click on this, then click on this, select this, okay, so if you select that, press that right here. You can show right here the website is empty. Okay, so this is what we're going to do right now. Go back here to your DeepSeek, then highlight this, just copy index.html, don't copy the bracket right there, then click on new file, name here, click on create, and under that you're going to simply go back here, copy this file which is the HTML. Okay, copy it, then come back here and paste the HTML right here. Okay, so that is what we have. Click on this save button. Right, you can see this one has been added. The next one I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and go back to our DeepSeek, scroll down a little bit. Okay, then click on style.css, then copy it, go back here, click on new file, paste the file name, click on the create button, then go back and copy the same code. Make sure you copy the file the way it is, okay, so that it will not break your site. Right, so we've already added 2. The next one we're going to do is to go back to this section, click on JavaScript, which is this script.js. Make sure you don't copy the bracket. Okay, then come back here, click on new file, click on create, go back and then copy this. Okay, so click on this save button. All right, so after adding that, you're going to see right here the scripts. This is what we have now. Okay, and there are some stuff they said we should go ahead and add, which is the monetization. So don't bother yourself, I'm going to simply go into it. Okay, so we're going to simply go ahead and check out the website which we saw before. You can show right here. If you click on this refresh button, let's see what we have now. You can see what we have now at the moment. You can turn the dark mode, you can turn on the light mode. Okay, so I prefer this one. Then click on, if you click on choose file, then you're going to simply select the file you want to enhance. Okay, when you select that, click on this enhance button, and you're going to simply copy off for you. Right, and there are some changes we're going to simply make. Okay, for instance, this footer copyright section right here is saying 2023. We're going to change that. So you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end. If you're getting value from this very video, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and like I said before, if you want my team to build your tool website, any type of tool website you want, just make sure you join us on the Telegram channel. Chat me up on WhatsApp. My team are going to simply handle all of that for you. Okay, this is what we want right now. We're going to simply change this, and for us to change this, we want to look out for the file which has this footer section. Okay, so if you come back here, then click on HTML. you click on that, then just go to the footer section to see if it has that. You can show over here, this is where it is right now. Then we're going to simply make the changes, remove this 3 and put 5. Okay, then click on save button. It has been saved. Then go back here and go back to the website, then click on the refresh button. You can see it has been changed to 2025. Okay, so this is what we have. All we need to do is simply go back to the HTML section right here. This is where you're going to simply see all the things you need to do on your website. Okay, the first thing we have to do right now is to simply go to our Adstera. This is our Adstera right now. I'm going to simply open this and select social bar. Come back here, then select where it says header. Okay, I can easily paste this at the header section here. Okay, then go back here, close this one, banner 468 times 60. When you select that, go back here, then paste it at the header as well. Okay, so I want to add it at the header section, and I think I have to add it at the footer too. Okay, so I've already added it at the footer. Remember, banner 468 times 60 always gives you high CPM. Okay, so that's why I decided to add it like in 2 places. Okay, so if you add like 2 different ad code from Adstera, you can add another one from Monetag. Okay, all right, so if you scroll down a little bit right here, you're going to see more advertisement section, which is this one right here for Adstera, Monetag and Google AdSense. Okay, so if you go back here, let's say you want to add another ad code, which is the banner. Copy this, then come back here, just paste it here. All right, so it has been added. I'll click on this save button. So remember, most of the times, most ads from Adstera will show more on mobile, okay, than desktop. All right, if you're not seeing more ads, the ad you added on desktop, you can go on mobile and check it out. Okay, it doesn't mean that your website has issue or your code has issue. Okay, click on the save button and then come back here, then click on refresh button. Okay, let's see what we have right now. Okay, so you can show right here, this is Adstera. See at the banner, you can see the social bar popping up right here. Okay, so whatever you click there is going to simply work for you. Okay, so if you view it on mobile, you're going to see more advertisement. Okay, just create social media pages for this particular tool. Sometimes you can run advertisement to promote this type of tool. So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and implement this, and you can easily turn this to a mobile app and get people to use it. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, join us on our Telegram channel. See you in the next video.